This job is cybersecurity consultant, IT security management at Datacom in Auckland, New, New Zealand. This is a full-time role and based in Auckland CBD. This job is from Datacom, who connects people and technology in order to solve challenges, create opportunities, and discover new possibilities for the communities we live in. Datacom is Australia's largest professional IT service companies and have over 6,200 people across their global offices. They have extensive expertise in operating data centers, providing IT services, software engineering, and application management, as well as payroll and customer service design and operations. For this job, the cybersecurity consultant role is an oversight and trusted advisor role with a strong focus on planning and delivery of managed security services where there are security related matters. The role provides security governance, security advisory, security risk management, security reporting, and security awareness training. The successful candidate will work closely with the client CISO, or VCISO in the delivery of the client cybersecurity strategy, including planning and implementation of cybersecurity activities which improves the client's cybersecurity posture. Analysis of customer environments against IT security best practice or standards such as NZISM, ISO 27001 or NIST, and identification of appropriate measures that can be undertaken to achieve best practice and compliance. You will also be required to assist in the development and delivery of the information security awareness training program for client and datacom personnel as required. Then you would be helping in develop technical information materials and workshops on information security trends, threats, good practices, and control mechanisms as appropriate. To be successful in this role, you will ideally possess the following skills, experience, and attributes. Significant experience, which could be about 5 years plus in an IT security management role with a particular focus on either the operational, policy, or risk and assurance aspect. Experience within a large complex organization is ideal for this role, or is any experience within a managed service provider. Strong knowledge of information security topics and an ability to provide advice for the Information Security Steering Committee, Change Management Committee, and other agency and interagency committees. A genuine passion for IT security and maintaining an up-to-date security knowledge base comprising of a technical reference library, security advisories and alerts, information on information security trends and practices, and relevant laws, regulations, standards, and guidelines. If you are interested in this role, please visit Datacom website and apply from there. Thank you.